DJI Mavic 3 Linking Instructions. In this video, we will show you how to link DJI Mavic 3 to the remote controller. First, power on the aircraft and remote controller. Connect your mobile device with the remote controller and open the DJI Fly app. A prompt that says Connection Guide will appear in the lower right corner of the screen, indicating that linking is required between the aircraft and remote controller before use. Tap Connection Guide on the screen and follow the instructions to complete linking. When the remote controller beeps and the battery LED indicators are blinking in sequence, it means it is ready for linking. Press and hold the aircraft power button for approximately 4 seconds and release after there's a loud beep, followed by 2 short beeps. The battery LEDs will blink in sequence, indicating that aircraft linking is underway. When the remote controller stops beeping, the LEDs of the 2 devices stop blinking and become solid, and the camera view appears on the screen. It means the aircraft and the remote controller have been linked successfully. Thank you for watching.